You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Alhaji Yekini Babalegba, the Nollywood legend popularly known as Babalegba, has died. Babalegba joins other Yoruba film industry legends who have passed away this year. The late Baba Salah's son, Adejumo Boysola Emmanuel, shared the news of the veteran's death on Facebook. Nollywood actress Foluke Daramola also confirmed the death of Babalegba. She took to her Instagram page to mourn him. Late Babalegba was buried yesterday, Monday, September 7, by 4 p.m. according to Islamic rites in his country home in Abeokuta. The Practitioners Associations Union and Elders, Tapman and ANTP attended. Owolabi J.B. Tapman's governor in Ogun State, who represented National President Mr. Bolaji Amusan, popularly known as Mr. Latin, described the death of Alhaji Yekini Babalegba as a colossal loss to the entire home entertainment industry and the diaspora, with its major impact in ensuring peace within the association.